Hey guys, this is one of the package units here at our church. I'm in the high school room at the moment. It's not on. Here's a thermostat for it. It's just a Honeywell programmable thermostat. It's got a cutoff timer. That way it doesn't come on and off out of nowhere, so that's a good way to save money, but I don't know if it's good. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'll try to make the timers quiet, that way you guys can hear it. There it is. Oh, trying to hit the chairs. These are heat pumps, by the way. I don't know if they're two-stage heating. I know it's single-stage cooling. There's the ductwork, just stretches across the room, and that's the main return. Probably have the compressor started, but I doubt it. Sorry, it's all foggy. The lens is messed up a bit. It's one good heat pump. I'll let it run for a little while. It's been running for about 10 minutes now. It's 74 in here now. It's still 74, but it's been running for long enough, so. Compressor just turned off, and now it's on a blower delay. I don't want to get in trouble for recording in church. I don't see anybody. It's almost 6 o'clock. Well, 6 o'clock. I got here as early as I could. Good thing the door was locked. There we go. Thanks for watching. We are in the TV room here. Okay. Thermostat here. This is a Honeywell one. Fix the timer on this one. This one won't do anything. Say that's 2. Here's our register vents. Is this open? No, it's not open. Dang it. Probably can hear it. I doubt it. Anyway guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I get in trouble.